Your angels want you to understand this. First and foremost, they would like to congratulate you for allowing yourself to submit in order to have faith in the divine's plans. Now that your mind is clear, you can plan how to fulfill your soul's purpose and reach your objectives. You might use this time to go outside and meditate as well. Besides that, you can go alone or with your friends to worship. You will come across intriguing people along the way who you can learn from and share your knowledge with. You must continue to nourish your soul. These are the vitamins your body needs to energize your spirit. Instead of opening up to many individuals who lack empathy and won't be of long term support to you, learn to open up to a few people who are genuinely motivated to help you with your problems. When it comes to love, whether you are in a relationship or single at the moment, you must learn to love yourself before you can love someone else. Healing is necessary for all fears, traumas, disappointments, confusion, and other mental problems. Never use someone to fill your emptiness and give in to pressure from society to confirm so that you can fit in. If you are still unhealed, it won't heal itself and you won't be able to run from it. The cycle of dealing with issues will eventually continue until you understand what needs to be healed.